Kids, help us save the seed. Look, Luna, a magic seed. Buddy, no, that's not a snack. Did you know a tiny seed can become a giant tree? Buddy, not water yet. We need a sunny spot to dig. Buddy, you be the digger. Slow down, buddy. We're making a garden, not a swimming pool.
Look, Turkey, an earthworm. He's the soil's best friend.
Say hello to Mr. Wiggles. He helps the soil breathe. Sleep tight, little seed. It's time to grow. Sleep tight, little seed. It's time to grow. Great job, buddy. You're a master gardener. Plants need sun to make food, just like we need breakfast.